Amsoil vs Mobil 1 vs Pennzoil Platinum, a year of lab. Data on one F-150. We put 3 of the most debated full synthetic oils through the same F-150 for 12 months. Pulled lab samples on a fixed schedule and tracked wear metals the whole way. The oil that came out on top wasn't the priciest option, and the one that fell short will surprise you even more. Amsoil, Mobil 1 and Pennzoil Platinum. Every F-150 forum has a thread about which one is best. Everyone's got a take. Almost nobody has actual numbers. Let's fix that. Why this test matters. These 3 oils aren't interchangeable, and they aren't priced the same. Amsoil Signature Series runs roughly twice the cost per quart of Pennzoil Platinum. Multiply that across a year of 5,000 miles, so oil changes and you're looking at a 40-60 swing. That's not nothing, and it only makes sense if you know what you're actually getting for it. So we measured it. The setup. We used a single 2018 F-150 with the 5.0L Coyote V, tagged in the same truck from our earlier 5W20 versus 5W30 comparison. That gave us 2 years of documented maintenance history, a clean compression test, and a borescope inspection confirming no existing cylinder wear going in. Each oil ran for 2 consecutive 5,000-mile intervals. We pulled a sample at every drain and sent all 6 samples to the same independent lab. Tested the same way each time. 3 oils, 6 samples, 1 truck, 1 year. Our primary metric, iron in parts per million. Iron tells you about cylinder wall and piston ring wear, essentially whether the oil film is holding up where it matters most. We also tracked copper, bearing wear, aluminum, piston and head wear, and how well viscosity held up by the end of each interval. The results. Pennzoil Platinum, 5W30, Pennzoil's Pure Plus process starts from natural gas rather than crude. The idea being a cleaner base stock means fewer contaminants in the finished oil. At 5,000 miles, iron at 8 ppm, copper at 3, aluminum at 2. Viscosity dipped slightly but stayed in spec. Solid, unremarkable numbers. Mobil 1 extended performance, the most widely used of the 3, with the biggest independent lab dataset simply from sales volume. At 5,000 miles, iron at 9 ppm, copper at 4, aluminum at 2. Viscosity retention tracked almost exactly with Pennzoil, a point higher on iron and copper, but nothing outside normal range for a single interval. Amsoil Signature Series, roughly double the per quart price, built around a heavier zinc, phosphorus, ZDDP additive package that Amsoil says holds film strength better under heat. At 5,000 miles, iron at 6 ppm, copper at 2, aluminum at 2. Viscosity. Retention was noticeably better than the other 2 by the end of the interval. The verdict. After a full year and 6 lab reports, Amsoil wins on wear metal numbers. Pennzoil and Mobil, one are functionally the same at 5,000-mile intervals. The premium oil does earn its price, but only under the conditions that actually stress that extra film strength. For most F-150 owners, Pennzoil Platinum is the right call. For those towing, hauling heavy, or running longer intervals, Amsoil's cost is backed by real data. If this helped you out, drop a like, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe to Car Care Fix for more straightforward repair tips and maintenance tricks. Thanks for watching, drive safe, and I'll catch you in the next one.